We've been hearing a lot about 5G with its high speed and bandwidth. Here's a look at how it's making from ship to shore.
I am Dennis Khoo, Director of Port Systems in the Maritime and Port Authority of Singapore. Maritime 5G is to provide good network connectivity out at sea in our major anchorages, fairways, terminals and boarding grounds. Well, what we have known on land is traditionally connectivity that allows all kinds of consumer-based applications such as gaming, even for industry applications like robotics and manufacturing. So at sea, we are looking at maritime applications for crew welfare, applications that are bandwidth intensive. Netflix, YouTube will definitely be able to be done on the sea. We are looking at enabling telemedicine as well as maritime drone services. So delivery of items, food, packages from shore to sea in a cheap and fast manner.
One of the very first users of Maritime 5G is Fullerton Health. Since July 2023, seafarers have accessed this service at sea.
I'm Dr Faizal Kasim, Medical Director for Fullerton Health Singapore. Accurate teleconsult needs audio and good video feed, so that the doctor can make a good informed diagnosis and also treatment. So with 5G, it enables a very high fidelity video resolution and also a good audio feed. So previously for doctors serving the maritime industry, it was a very rudimentary process. It involved SMSs and phone calls. Majority of cases, the crew themselves have to come down from their vessels, be conveyed to land and also to the nearest brick-mortar clinic. So with telemedicine, it increases access to doctors and it can be utilized whenever the crew required a consultation, and it is conducted when they are still on vessel. And we will work with our delivery partner to package the medication that's prescribed and ensure that they are delivered within the stipulated time. It can be drone delivery or even a port delivery. So that in itself is a safer and efficient way of conducting a teleconsult.
Maritime 5G as an enabler will be quite important to complement other technologies, and in the longer term we're looking at remote pilotage as well as autonomous vessels, where more and more sensors that would be equipped on the vessels.
For drones itself, I think we also see an evolution of the drones. Bigger payload, larger battery cycle life. That would mean that we can deliver medication to any locations in the anchorage if we need to.